Sunrise Bravo, interrogative over.
Bravo Sunrise, send over.
Bravo, looks like the marker core location has disappeared off the map. Am I still to the position where that was marked? Over.
Sunrise, be advised you'll be heading into the building. Reference map, rendezvous point, Romeo Victor. Just inside that, there should be civilians. Then from there, you're most likely doing foot patrols outside. So, heading inside of that compound there. Over.
Bravo acknowledges all. Thanks out.
Just your everyday milk run.
Sure is quiet today.
Don't you fucking say that.
Too quiet.
Man, I bought 1,000 rounds. It'd be rude if I don't get to use them.
We'll find you a tree or something.
Guess I'm catching us dinner.
I'll give you a butter knife if you run in the woods.
Say less. It's gonna rain now that he said it.
What's the point?
Call signs Alpha, Victor's hammering off to the left. Combo stopped, over.
They should just be up here.
Pull off to the right when you get up here, Mike.
Everyone's staying for now.
Was our job not to pull security?
I heard that, Alpha.
Also,
Fucking, what did Victor say they were stopping for?
Yep,
yeah.
Come, okay, well, yeah, they just,
We're getting a new computer upgrade. Oh yeah, I might be in, re-enlisting in October.
I want some action, like, goddamn.
Why I mentioned the forbidden tier word.
alright, we might need to fucking...
Lodi or Brandon?
Because we're all caught up, I think. Victor's just at the tail end,
No, Raph.
and we're good.
Hello.
Oh, hi, TK.
Oh, what's up?
Alright, anything, brother?
Stretching my legs.
No, I think I'm pretty sure my first person could be Emily.
A long 2-minute ride for you.
Okay, just start him back.
Real tiring one.
Oh, fuck yeah.
We're going to be taking the lead.
Alright, brother, just,
30
get the
infantry,
fucking
not kidding.
convoy to step off and just chill here. Victor.
Talk to you, mate. Did they drove past?
Yeah, look, they're turned out and the bullet just happens to fly in that direction. I mean, it's really unfortunate.
I'm just patiently waiting for the aliens to show up.
Aliens? Really?
Cool, yeah, they can step on the
signs are be advised. You are clear to push past PHQ's vehicle. The convoy will be stepping off in approximately 10 seconds or so. No need to acknowledge. Thanks out.
Go! Go!
You're free to push past the PHQ vehicle.
Alright guys, just keep an eye out. Technical was spotted in front of convoy. It is moving away, but we need to keep our eyes peeled.
Oh, contacts.
Contact east.
How many of these buildings are enterable, so
Hey, who's
be
that?
willing to move
Civilian
as
Vic.
slow as needed.
Looks like just civilians.
User in your channel timed out.
Or unable to, as I found out before. I got stuck.
Wondering why everything was so loud, then I realised I forgot to put my earplugs in.
That'll do it. Got a vehicle coming from our south somewhere. Hotel saw it.
I mean, that
Keep
might
it.
have been.
That might have been the one that just zipped past.
That seems about right, yeah.
Yeah.
We get the call after it's past.
Did you see that vehicle there, Paul?
Yeah, it's that same civilian one.
Good spacing, I like it, mate.
Doing, are we almost
Not
there?
a valid expression?
Hotel
almost there.
Charlie, radio check 69.6, over.
You just do the opposite.
Mild,
of
what
everything
channel
you've
did you
done,
hear
don't
that?
Charlie,
Call out
radio
before the
loading
move.
here also. Thanks out.
It's on
6-1.
6-1, but yeah, we'll pass the
okay.
information down, yeah.
Yeah, no worries.
Alpha, this is Sun Minor, sit rep over.
Sorry, minus Alpha Seco currently engaging in conversation with the people running the checkpoint. We're just chatting to them for now, over.
Sunmine copies, send me a sit rep once you guys have figured out if they're friend or foe. Out.
So there's a checkpoint up ahead.
And Alpha is currently talking to the people running the checkpoint.
Cool.
I think we're good for now.
But if anything starts kicking off, we're all to dismount.
Hey, White Wolf, what's the hip happening?
Literally waiting for infantry to check. That's it.
Good copy.
Yeah, imagine waiting for that dirty infantry.
I don't think I appreciate
Sunray,
that.
this is Alpha. Message over.
Alpha Sunray, send over.
Yeah, so local forces have waved us through the checkpoint and we can convoy through to the objective. Over.
Sunray acknowledged. Be advised,
Might
we'll
be
continue
old.
pushing through to
No,
our
it's not.
points marked on map. We'll wait for Victor to get to the observation point, then everyone will pull up to the line of departure, and then we'll go from there. Acknowledge it.
Look in the map under the
Alpha
CBA.
acknowledges all.
tab.
Over.
Should say there.
Sunray, thanks.
Ah, fresh air.
Oh my god, someone's...
Oh wow.
That's early. That's not a friendly vehicle, it looks like.
All call signs are minor, step off once the vehicle in front of you moves over.
Well, someone's already killed a Civ.
Moves Michael in front of us, you're free to step. Also, just a reminder of PID, because there are going to be civilians who are friendly, that are going to have weapons, and we don't just want to shoot on sight. Point taken.
Alpha, Sunray Minor, continue going left, over.
Go left here, Michael.
Sunrise Alpha, acknowledge all, over.
Left, Michael, left.
You're at the left.
Oh, there's a monster.
Ambush. Full sign, Sunray Minor, herringbone, dismount, return fire.
We should leave.
One's down. There's still more out in the field somewhere. Find him.
Turkey's disabled.
Project Ray.
Moving back to the truck.
Some acknowledge for
Clear.
if you get engaged, I'm Rabbit.
Yeah, we're looking good northwest as well.
You hand?
Tourniquet your left arm.
That's all what we got until Mol's back up.
Yeah,
He fell victim to
I'll
the
watch
I
the
didn't wear a
southwest
helmet.
corner.
CPR on him, please tell him.
Yes.
He's currently under the vehicle.
Yeah, his legs are trapped, that's right, I got it.
Your right arm.
Okay, I'll give him a stick of epinephrine to increase the chances.
Sorry, Charlie, sit rep.
Shark hits one time.
Charlie,
He's okay.
The situation is we've just been ambushed while going through this roadblock. Appears to be police personnel. We have one by member down, a secco, ammo green, medical green. Over.
Pull your tourniquet off your leg. Project, are you by the truck?
User in your channel
yeah, I'm
timed
currently
out.
working on mold.
Sharkbait's lost a large amount of blood, but he's stable. We're on your way. When are you? We back? We'll go over here.
Wear a helmet.
Oh yeah. No, here you. In here. Yep.
Shut down, big dog. You alright?
Yeah, mate.
Who's lost a large amount of blood?
I saw your trip getting out of the truck, I was like, oh, fucking hell.
Oh, dude, it sucks. Like, I got out of the truck and then.
Vic's still good.
Looking out for any other engagements.
Roll. Where's Mike at? Okay.
Summary, excellent serve as well. Thanks. Cool. Yes, I will. No, we are not. Yep,
Cheeky cops ambushed us.
Alright, everyone back to the truck. We'll just wait one shark's getting treatment.
Cool.
One question. Push up approximately another 100 meters.
Given that we just got ambushed, does it make sense to have the two machine guns on the back? Fuck yeah.
Charlie Minor, thanks out.
Right, everyone load up when you're set.
Let's go, Michael.
Project, what's happening?
What's the other back seat? What's the number of the back seat?
Go science and warning order, 2 mics. No need to acknowledge things out.
Dubbed Project.
I wanted to be last man for once.
Get your own section then.
Alright.
I don't get shot. I'm wearing a helmet this time.
Michael, to up and to the left.
Cut off road here to the left and then go north.
Through that field.
Yep.
Yeah, we're going to the top of that hill.
Well, just FYI, I got to bounce in about 15 minutes.
Cool beans.
It's nice to have you back, Mike, man.
Yeah, it's nice to be back.
Have another permanent fixture that we can have a bit of banter with, other than these scrubs like Lobo who just turn up every now and again.
Well, I've been MIA for fucking
Hold
2
comms,
months.
I got orders coming in.
He's good, man. He's good.
Are they ready to receive? Over.
Everyone dismount.
Plenary orders as follows. Situation: civilians that were met by Mike and Bravo at the castle have informed us.
Take us out, man. We'll head up to this hill up north here.
Yeah, I don't know about this marker
Let's
to
hold
the
here.
left.
Spread out and get security.
I was on rooftops in the town at my plaza. There's a pretty good ridge here.
So, update. Apparently, the people at the castle, the civilians at the castle, have said that this town is in a bit of strife with riots and looters. So, do expect hostiles when we go in. Sorry, no change to our current mission. We're still going to do the same thing. The people at the hospital who we were supposed to be meeting will be like sort of trapped on the roof.
I see an IDAP helicopter on the roof. I believe it's on the hospital.
Yep. Oh, we're going to step in about 30 Sierras. So let's get in the extended line. We'll push down. And, yeah.
Red team move east.
Combat pace, yeah?
Yeah.
Might swap blue over to the right for this one push, since it's easier. You reckon?
That's fine by me. Project hang back a bit. You should not be in the firing line.
Let me step off, make it bearing 109. Red team.
Confirm.
Right, step time now. Got people down in front of us, directly 111.
Double
I can
tap
see
control.
people with guns in the street at 1:30.
Eyes on. Return fire.
Red team, try and push up to those woods.
Roger, red moving.
I'm moving with red team.
We're gonna push through these roots to the wall, just to the east here.
Copy.
2 tangos down, looks like the one on the right's still breathing.
Someone's not obeying.
Oh, blue team, you're free to push down now, if you're not already.
Yeah, we're just watching the
Shark mate, where are you?
north-south MSR.
Yep, just coming up behind you.
Alright, we're gonna commence our
There's a
clearance
dude with a gun behind us, northeast. He just ran down the road.
Step off, boys. Just clear 4, compound 4 first. This one here.
Right with you.
Opening. Reaching right.
Pushing left.
Yep. Yeah, holding.
I'm stacked on the front door.
Roger. We'll pull back. We'll clear these buildings.
Should be over there. And
Pushing left.
On the roof.
Clear.
Hitting.
All those doors are locked.
Yeah, Roger. We're clear.
Mulder got at least 3 times infantry on the staircase to the hospital.
Roger. Let's hit compound 2.
Now there's none.
No, there's still people up there.
With you.
It's locked.
Now down.
No way through there either.
Stairs to the right.
So if you go this way. Go right here.
Do you want to take the roof or you push
Yeah.
on?
No, I'll take the roof.
With you.
Just take it slow on these stairs. Lucky.
he's dead. I'm hit one time.
Oh, here.
I'm alright. Keep moving.
It's cold, so it's too much.
Project, keep moving. Project, keep coming.
Go right. Direct right.
Just had to save Xylo.
Keep the ASOT moving right.
Have we got anyone on the rooftops?
10-4.
Yeah, red team's on the roof at the moment.
Over.
Trying to find where those shots are coming from.
Mold buildings 1 and 3 aren't enterable, so we'll take up a SBF position here to task us.
Yeah, I'm to the roof on this one.
Is all our buildings cleared?
2 and 4 are cleared. We're gonna drop off the roof if you want. Do 6 and 8.
Yes please.
Alright, red team, let's drop off the roof.
Me and Project will come with.
135 not enterable, so consider clear.
Awesome. Church is also clear.
Alright, boys, I'm gonna bounce. If I see you again tonight, I'll see you. If not, have a good one.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming, man.
Catch you, Mike.
You good, Tom?
We're all
Yeah,
stacked on
just-
you, Jets.
I hurt myself going down the
Just
stairs.
waiting for the shark bit.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Copy.
2.
On you.
3, 2. You're good.
Sorry, I'm coming down.
I'm on the top of building 3. I'm just gonna give up my firing pause here, and I'm just gonna move back to project. I just need a stitch.
Alright, Project, just hold. I'm gonna put a fucking... Fuck, do I even have any?
Push that CV over there.
Yeah.
Backpack on.
Never mind, I was gonna put a hunt tire up, but I don't have any.
I think Alpha was in MCI, so we could potentially call PHQ and say we can raid this hospital.
It should be Bravo doing that though.
Oh, I don't see them on the map, do you?
Oh, yeah, no, because they're back at the fucking... Yeah, they're back at the castle. So PHQ should be pushing through there.
6 and 8 are clear as well. Red team fall back to the hospital.
Hospital is not cleared yet.
I'm back at the top of 3. Watching MSR to the northeast.
Bro, I can't see Detroit. Look at this.
Alright, Osprey, correction, Jones.
On
okay,
you.
who wants to go up? I'll stay then, but all you go up.
I've got Echo out in front of me in the northeast, but I don't have the best
Pushing.
line of sight
Oh,
out
okay.
the MSR. That northern flank.
It's clear.
Oh, they're repairing that city up there?
Clear.
Clear.
Get set on these stairs. I'm just stand by.
Alright.
Did you do that last stop?
Civilians were reported on the roof, I believe.
We just took the fuel pod off the back.
fucking
Where's
website.
fucking supermarket?
Just to the
Yeah, I
southeast
was,
position. We're moving now.
The
Ah,
airhead
seen.
was hovering over. It crashed into the building and got stuck vertically. So we had to rescue the pilot and then try to get the heli.
You want us moving there as well, Mal, or do you want us?
Please.
Roger.
One second.
Make you bearing a supermarket towards the south.
Alright, send.
Everything's fine, just keep your head down, okay?
Go home, sir. There's gunfire.
Flash to the back.
Oh, got one down here.
Friendly's on you 6.
Project need you. Roll up. In the
down.
supermarket. In the supermarket.
Where's that gunfire coming from?
It was behind the
Yeah,
counter.
well,
those
down
beanbag rounds,
and-
they're very lethal.
Yeah.
Michael's down too.
Just chucking wherever.
Red team, if you're not holding a door, find one, hold it. Wait for the other members to be treated.
I'm assisting for project.
Who else is down?
Roger.
Or is it just Michael?
Just Michael, I believe.
Mold took some rounds.
Come to the front and I'll get you treated.
I'm here.
Start CPR on him, Talon.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pop to the toilet real quick and be back while they get treated.
Copy.
I got roll off unconscious and no heart rate.
Can you drag him to the back of the shopping center for me?
Yeah, we'll do. Just gonna do a round of CPR first.
Don't worry about CPR. If he's got no heart rate, he'll stay that way.
How's that shotgun working out for you?
Well, it's not less than lethal. Let's just say that. Head turns.
You're right, roll off.
Okay, he's got a heart rate. You can stop.
Oh, god damn it.
Welcome back, Mold.
He's just vomited.
Oh, god. Can you head turn him?
Yep.
And I'm blocked in by Mold. Sorry, Mold. I'm going to take you prisoner temporarily.
God damn it. Arma.
Chades, can you lock off the mob for me?
You could have
Bro-
shift
bro-
feed over the file too.
Brolof's right here. I'm just I'm just clearing his airway.
Hey fam. He is epinephrine.
Occlusions removed.
Okay. Start heart rate. Start thingy.
Start what? CPR?
Start CPR, yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna remove that pulse oxy because that is on the wrong arm.
We're just working on Brolof still.
Come on, Brolov. Come back to us, buddy. I'm getting your American experience in a little bit too early, buddy. Why is it not letting me?
Shot in the supermarket, yeah.
Yeah.
That roll.
Here, Michael.
Back up, Michael.
Yeah, I'm back up.
Righto.
Get a hand? Are you good?
No, should be right.
Alright.
Got CPR going. His airways are clear.
Situation under control. Don't need assistance with PHQ over.
Wait a fucking minute. No one
Michael's
even
back
having
up.
an answer to me, you fucking lane control.
I'm already working on him.
Laying on the deck.
I'm just gonna finish this round and then I'll jump off CPR, yeah?
Cover acknowledge. If you require any assistance, please send it. Thanks. Out.
I'm off CPR.
Yep, got a heart rate. Okay. Is that your
Malt's back. Did I miss anything?
I'll just keep it, bro. Don't worry.
No, it's still the same task as before. Castell's on scene if you want an updater.
Cool, yeah, so supermarkets are sorted. If I could just get you back up on the north side, because Victor fucked off on that road. Just, yeah, please, thanks.
Alright boys, we're heading back to the north, to the MSR, and we're gonna cover that. So everyone get out the front and we'll move in together. We'll just go single line. Red can take us out when they're ready.
Take back Tom.
Tom stepping.
Project, we're stepping.
Hey fam.
So if I catch you out in the street selling drugs again, you will be tased. Get the fuck out of here.
Also, whilst we're moving, can I get an ace check?
I'm green, Jeds, on both.
Good job. How you
I'm
going?
green. Yeah, blue team's all green.
Shot red or green? Yeah, red's all green.
Perfect.
I'm orange on all.
Do we want to hold this hotel, hospital roof? Oh, or what do you want to set up here?
I guess it's up to our discretion.
It's pretty fucking open here.
Yeah. Let me just put a call through to Sunray.
Blue team on me. We'll go up the stairs.
Roger.
Come over here, boys. We'll take the buildings.
Sunray, this MSR is pretty open for us to try and defend.
Perfect. Yeah, Cheds, if you can find somewhere over there to defend, go for it. If not, we can just all jump on the rooftop.
Yeah, I just want to keep the mat down here in case there is a vehicle.
Yeah, that's fair. Project, you jump up top where it's safe.
Hey fam.
Fuck's happening.
We'll just garrison this building here, boys.
Say again.
I was just going to say we'll garrison this building.
Had a pretty good view.
Probably not. I mean, you can see out this back door, this place right down there, MSR. Hey mate.
There's one civilian out on the beach, so 067, just hanging out by himself.
See.